Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday, brought to you by the coronavirus. I'm at home in the backyard today. I'm not out in the woods. You know, the coronavirus has got everybody all freaked out and everything else, and everything is closed. So here's a nice little recipe that you could probably put together from stuff that you already have on your shelves. I'm calling this coronavirus Beanie Weenies. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go with our regular cast of characters. We got good old faithful Canteen Cup. We got our $9 stove, and we got gas. We've got some Bush's home style baked beans. We've got some Armour Vienna bites. Ah, those are gonna be great. We got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce for them little Vienna bites. And what would anything be without some good old Cristal Louisiana hot sauce? All right, here we go. Let's get cooking. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our luscious Armour Vienna bites, and we're gonna get them in the Canteen Cup without losing any of the juice, because the juice is the best part. Oh, look at that juice. Now that's all going in there. Oh yeah, we gotta get it all out of there. Okay, now we are just going to crank up our stove here, and what we're going to do is we are going to kind of quick parboil those little dudes up, and then we're going to spice it up with a little bit of barbecue sauce. Stay tuned. Okay, let's check our little Vienna sausage bites. Oh boy, these babies are parboiling up. Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Ooh, we can turn that down a little bit too. I'm just gonna let these things boil up for like a minute or so. And actually, that's probably okay, because you know, Vienna sausage comes ready to eat. It's already cooked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the stove. Okay, I'm going to turn off the stove. Just kind of let these go for a second. I'm going to go drain out the rest of the water, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. We got our nice Beanie Weenies. They're strained and drained. Now, we're going to slide in a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's. Oh yeah. All right. Got to get all these guys nice and coated. All right, need a little bit more Sweet Baby Ray's. This would be a great coronavirus emergency ration. All right, all these guys are nice and coated up. Okay. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to try to caramelize these a little bit. Turn on the stove real low as I can get it. And just kind of slowly heat the Beanie Weenies up, or the weenies, and just kind of caramelize these guys and see what happens. So let's do that. All right. We can hear some sizzle. Oh yeah. Just gonna kind of caramelize that barbecue sauce up there. It's looking pretty darn good. Smells awesome. Alright, so we're gonna continue to caramelize these up for a couple of minutes. Then we'll throw our beans in. Okay, so caramelizing this up only took a couple of minutes. It's tasting great. Throwing some Bush's beans now. There's gonna be a little bean juice in here also. We want to make sure to get all that. Gotta be careful not to knock this over. Oh God. If I had some whiskey, I'd put it in there, but I don't got no whiskey. All right, there's our little can of Bush's baked beans. They're very important to mix all of this up. Oh yeah, wow, that looks great. It tastes incredible. All right, this is going to continue to cook. We'll slowly simmer it. I'm going to put our top on, actually. Slowly simmer it. Then we'll be almost ready. Okay, I'm going to cook in a few minutes. Ooh, all right. Stove is on as low as it can go. You can still hear these babies sizzling in there. They should be pretty hot. Let's try a little. Okay, nice and hot. So what we're going to do is we're going to get them off the stove now. Transfer them to our cup. Ooh, man, those look good. All right, now let's wrap it all up. Okay, here we go. We got our Armor Bites and our Beanie Weenies. Nothing would be really complete without some cheese. So we're going to put a little bit of cheese in there. Ooh, we're going to mix that around. Now, last but not least, our old pal, Cristal Louisiana hot sauce. And y'all know me, just a drop. Just a drop of hot sauce. All right, let's get into these. All right, here we go. We got our Canteen Cup. Let's try it. Oh. Boy, that hot sauce really kicks it up. It's only 87 degrees down here today. I'm calling this coronavirus Beanie Weenies. All we did was we cooked our old buddy Armor Vienna bites, Vienna sausage bites, in with the Vienna sausage juice, parboiled them up, drained most of the juice off, dumped our Bush's homestyle baked beans in there, cooked those up, heated those all up, put our old buddy Sargento shredded cheese in, along with some good old Cristal Louisiana hot sauce, and you got yourself a meal. Since I'm at home, not doing too much work today because the whole world shut down for the coronavirus. Wishing that I was out in the woods, but you know, I'm at home. Enjoying some Beanie Weenies, coronavirus Beanie Weenies. Bought at our old friend, the Dollar Tree. That's really good. So, as I finish my coronavirus Beanie Weenies and break a serious sweat from the hot sauce in there, once again, another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. This is Matt, the old floor boy, and I will see you on the trail.